Di ako karon sa eskwelahan sa mga kido kay nag drop off mi nila. So karon nagwaiting na lang ko sa akong kabayo nga si Alan kay tuwa pa siya sa kuan sa ah, principal office or a teacher office kay mangutana siya sa about sa field trip namo karon nga Friday na umaabot. So naghuwat ra ko niya kung padulong na siya diri og manlakaw nami. So after that, after sa pag-draft off sa Kido, mukuan nami kanang mongadto mi sa ah, Daro Market kay magtan-aw ko ito og isda unya mga utanon kay basta Martes, kada Martes nga to Merkules mag-open sila na sila mga tinda unya Bernis ug Sabado mootro na po sila paninda. So mo na siya ang adlaw nga open ang daro ug makapalit tag mga presko nga mga utanon. So mongadto mi karon kita-kits tan unya. Unya ako ipakita ninyo ang lugar. So okay. Okay, bye. So diyan nami karon sa market sad to say nga wala pa sila display nga isda kay kanang unya pa daw mga around 3 o'clock ana sa mahapon. So wala na lang minagtuyok-tuyok na lang mi diri sa market. Ang akong kabayo kay itimplan ko niya kape. Niya akong itagaan og photo diri. Nabugnaw na akong photo ang kape wa pa ma-ready. Pag sure diha. Dugay kay ka maghimog kape do. Naabta nagsiyam-siyam. Mga lami kay puto og na ay kuan na ay kape nga init. Okay. Di ka na sa market mo ni akong nadala dito sa market mga day. Amo na ni siyang giinit nya. Nagpait raming mga vegetable. Sira po'y kuan ga di pa nga ani. Sira po'y ga butang sa rep pero ang akong kape ay nga gi-brewed. Tora. Kuy dugaya oy. Hello guys, we're back here into Story Kitchen because you know why?
Because it's really three-story.
It's lovely. And now at this time with the kiddo, say hi. Hi. So we're just waiting to our order, to get ready and then we will eat.
Chow down.
Chill down?
Chow down.
Chow down? What does that mean?
Chow means food.
Food.
So chow down.
Okay.
Eating.
So let's do it. So mo ni guys, ang akong na-order kay gimbap. Ako rakan si ani mga madi. Oh, nakakaon na siya dagko kay hiwa. Si Clark. show yours. Show yours, my love. Look.
You did already.
Oh. And then the kuya is the best one. I like this. You want it now?
Thanks.
Let me like do it.
Already.
Mami, what did I do it? Yeah. Look at this.
That's fake crab. Fake lobster.
Yeah.
It's fish that's flavored that tastes like crab. This crab is so expensive.
Oh my god.
That too, or
So good.
both of them.
Look at the expensive thing is this guy.
That's better than the one next to the lemon. It amazes me when I'm watching a Gio. And he's been here for how many years?
No?
And he still calls it Palawan. I mean, Palawan. Jeez, Gio. Palawan. Guys, look at these things. Not even trying it.
Lumog this thing naman. I like the sauce that you're using. Oh my god.
Buffalo.
Where is it on my love?
Oh, it might be here on the store.
You can just ask and get the bag.
You want to go over to Lee after this? Well, we have to go to Lee, but we got to get the butter on the Buffalo.
How about we just ask this? Go on. You can
Oh,
buy
good. I cleaned the bone. I cleaned the
That's the
bone.
way you do it.
more.
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's good. Got the whole lot of meat.
This one.
That looks like tiny chicken.
You know what? I like this one right now.
Yeah.
That looks like tiny chicken.
I don't think they're gonna get the people that like them love them. I bet you 20. They have contests. See. They get the really spicy ones and sit down and if you who can eat the most and they'll get 20, 30, 50.
I watched that thing.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
You can find.
There was contest on Manila that is Filipino.
Which ones?
It's loading.
You know, then it says good. Good.
This is a 5-star place.
Oh, I got no bars.
Yeah.
What's the
No, it's not.
what is the Wi-Fi?
What is on there?
Oh, we're unconnected.
I was
Yeah,
fine.
we've been here.
Yeah. Apparently that's not gonna work. So I'm gonna unconnect that. No Wi-Fi. So I have to just- Yeah, look at that. 2 seconds later.